Hi everybody, I'm Josh Sprague and welcome to WACO Field in Troy, home of the WACO Air Museum. Today, Sinclair's UAS team is conducting an activity which is using UAS vehicles to map this facility for an upcoming project.
My name is Ryan Palm. I'm the Program Coordinator for Unmanned Aerial Systems at Sinclair Community College. Today we came out here and we flew the Altavian R8700 Galaxy and the Altavian Nova Block 7200 out here at WACO Field, just doing some mapping and surveying of the area. We used a color near infrared sensor on there, and we also used a 22 megapixel RGB sensor on there.
It's just one example of a practical application for UAS or unmanned aerial vehicles in the UAS industry.